Lesson 4, Sports and Competition. Rob likes to race on his bicycle. He hasn't won a race, but he still has fun. Rob has even started riding his bike more often. He knows that if he improves his fitness, he might do better at a race. A bicycle race is a competition. A competition is a contest between two or more people or teams. For people like Rob, competition can help them improve fitness. But Rob knows that winning isn't everything. Competition should also be fun. Have you ever seen a player yell at a game official during a game? Or have you seen a fight take place at a game? These people weren't practicing sportsmanship. Sportsmanship is the ability to treat all players, officials, and fans fairly during competition. Someone who practices sportsmanship is called a good sport. A good sport always plays his or her best. A good sport follows the rules of the game. He or she also considers the safety of other players. A good sport congratulates players for a good job, even if they are on a different team. Finally, a good sport is polite if he or she loses and modest if he or she wins. Sportsmanship makes competition more fun for players, fans, and officials. You may try several sports in the next few years. You'll probably pick sports that are interesting and fun. Try several sports before deciding which you like most. You may find a new sport that you really like. Schools and community organizations often have sports teams and clubs. These teams give you a chance to get in shape or to compete against other people. Teams also provide a lot of equipment you'll need to play your sport. Players are usually organized by age and skill level. Some sports teams may ask you to visit a doctor. A doctor can tell you if it's safe for you to play. Check with your school or local parks and recreation department to find out how you can start playing sports.